So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to create welcome message on WhatsApp Business. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp Business app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it, and this is the inbox of your WhatsApp Business. And to create a welcome message, you can simply tap on tools icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap here, then scroll down below, then you will see the option of greeting message. So tap here and write anything you want to write here. First, enable it because you want to share your message with everyone. So even you can edit it by tapping on pencil icon, which is available in the bottom corner of your screen. So tap here and see. And if you don't want to edit, then tap on OK icon, which is available on the bottom side of your screen. So tap here, then tap on save. Now welcome message has been set successfully on your WhatsApp Business, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.